Hi, my name is Whitney Walcott, owner and head chef at Whitney's Kitchen. So Whitney's Kitchen is located at 23 Balata Avenue, Kingston 10, right in the heart of Kingston. We specialize in daily lunches, catering services, and we have our own line of seasonings. So the inspiration for starting Whitney's Kitchen came from a little Instagram page that I created to post home-cooked meals, and from that person started asking me to cater for their events. At this time I wasn't ready, and then there was this one persistent person whom I did a catering for her daughter's birthday for about 30 persons, and that was just the beginning of Whitney's Kitchen. I decided to start doing stew peas first from home, and I sold the stew peas from a tent at a friend's workplace, and that was every Friday. And then persons just started requesting it, want it more than just one day. And from then, I just transitioned from my 9 to 5 into this beautiful business. Sagicor Bank has been in my corner from inception. They are the only bank that I have my business relations with, and I have no regrets. My Sagicor banker and I have a very good working relationship. She's always responsive and always ready to give sound financial advice. So transitioning from my 9 to 5 felt as if I was moving from my safety net. It felt risky, it felt scary, but I persisted, and I'm happy I did. So if you go out the road and you say stew peas, you go hear Whitney's Kitchen. So we have that. We have our curry goat, which is also another favorite. We specialize in seafood. Wait, the barbecue pigtail. How could I forget? The barbecue pigtail, that sell like hot bread. So since the beginning of Whitney's Kitchen, we focus on getting that authentic Jamaican flavor. So I visit the Coronation Market personally to handpick the best quality ingredients for Whitney's Kitchen. By doing this, I support local farmers and suppliers who provide us with just what we're looking for. The future plans of Whitney's Kitchen basically includes consistency and to also increase distribution of our seasonings in the supermarkets and shops island-wide and worldwide.